For us to be in relation with so many countries and to exchange with our farmers, with our technicians, with the research was extremely interesting and extremely important.
I think to work together in the European Union, it's very important to prove together this sector.
Because I would like to learn more and to take some information from the others' expertise, and I think it was very useful to be a part in this project.
We strongly believe in sharing our ideas with our partners in Europe and also gaining some insight from how our partners in Europe are doing things perhaps slightly differently.
I was invited to join the SheepNet project. I am a farmer and I also work in knowledge transfer. So this is a great project to be involved in as it fills two parts of my work that I have.
Because it's a unique opportunity to bring together all actors of sheep productions and to meet breeders, advisors and other researchers on a regular basis.
So farmers can really very well complement my knowledge, and it's very important to get this information even from countries that are relatively far from ours.
Well, you get a huge view from other people's ways of farming and different systems. As in today, we've seen some cheese making, which I would have never seen before.
Well, for me, it brings an opportunity to work with sheep farmers and researchers across Europe and to get information from different production systems and bring that information back to Ireland and disseminate it out to our farmers.
To exchange with farmers and advisors of different countryside or different country or different system and production.
There are many different systems among the countries, and we don't know each of them. By the SheepNet progress, we can learn everything.
The view of the farmers on a problem is not the same what can see a researcher, and if they work together on a problem, they can find the best solution.
I need to have connection with researchers to be able to be informed properly, and also to get access to advisors.
All the insight of the SheepNet industry in general have made not only by farmers but also by advisors and research. I think there is a very good mixture in order to better approach.
I think the multi-act approach, so having farmers, researchers and advisors all at the same meeting is absolutely brilliant idea. It's great to get everybody involved and it works bottom up and top down.
The different way of thinking and to find solution. So this makes an enormous enrichment to the system.
We tended to focus to our conditions, and sometimes we miss something that is important but comes from elsewhere and comes from abroad.
Brings us the quality of management. So if one country does something, some of the practices better than the other countries, then the other countries have to follow that practices.
We are here to learn and help the other persons to learn how we work. Our situations, our reality is not the same.
I found very interesting to see the cheese making. On the first farm we went to, the type of lamb being sold, the weight of the lamb being sold, and different systems to our own. So it's you know, they're all things to be considered.
The thing that I've perhaps enjoyed most today is seeing the sheep dairy system, which is it's something that I have no experience of back in Scotland, and there are very few sheep dairies in the United Kingdom.
The visits in farms, because it's a good way to show the reality of sheep production in other countries and in other systems. Some systems are very close to the system we have in France, but not always the case.